Sorry, concerned about what?
Our house.
Oh.
I mean, what are we gonna do? Even if we're there, there's nothing we can do.
Yeah. This truck says V16 on the back. Do you think it's referring to a 16-cylinder engine? I'm guessing not. Wow. Doesn't look like they hit anyone else. Yeah, over 100 people have died so far.
Yeah, that used to be woods.
Wow. Poor tree. Oh my god, you can see how high the water level went on that tree.
I think it was up and over this road at one point.
Could be. Yeah, you see all the trees snapped off. Like road level.
So much for the new developments.
One county has more than 600 missing people. Which is, I think, the county we're in right now.
Probably going to clear off a lot of the storm damage.
Yeah, these flags got pretty well torn.
Dang, how hard does the wind have to whip to rip a flag clean in half?
Hurricane Helene, we do know that it made landfall just a short time ago near Perry, Florida. If we can take a look again, Helene hitting this area.
Residents in the mountains saw their lives change forever. The recovery process has been slow. Helene, as you can see, causing historical and catastrophic damage. Entire towns and cities wiped off the map, and hundreds are dead, and many more are still missing, and loved ones are fearing the worst. Our national correspondent Dan Grossman joins us live on the scene in Asheville.
I can tell you, Dale, that they are working very hard to get those needs met, but there are still many people who have not been able to get in touch with loved ones, who have not been able to get much needed supplies like medications. Everyone is doing everything in their power.
Brand new, urgent information just in from the National Hurricane Center. Hurricane Milton has exploded in strength. It is now a major hurricane already. It's got the entire Gulf of Mexico to gain in intensity.
Breaking news, a brand new forecast just in moments ago for Hurricane Milton, which is heading right towards Florida as an extremely dangerous Category 5 hurricane. Today, Milton became the strongest storm anywhere on the planet this year.